This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by booting to the Windows recovery environment. Make sure the USB installer is plugged in and set as the boot device. Once the recovery menu appears, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. You need administrator access for disk and boot repairs. This is why we use the recovery prompt. Now identify the system drive letter for Windows, since it can change in recovery. For example, use disk part and list volume to confirm the correct drive letter. Now execute the core repair commands. First run bootrec/fixember to rewrite the master boot record, then bootrec/fixboot to write a fresh boot sector. Next run bootrec/scanos to detect installed Windows copies, and bootrec/rebuild to rebuild the boot configuration data. If you get access is denied on /fixboot, run diskpart to assign a drive letter to the system partition, and then use bcdbootc /windows/ss /f all to. Once rebuild completes, exit diskpart, close command prompt and restart the machine. Remove the USB so it boots from the repaired disk. If Windows still won't start, go back to recovery and run chkdskc /f/r to fix file system errors, then repeat bootrec steps. Make sure BIOS/UEFI boot order points to the correct disk and that secure boot or legacy mode settings match how Windows was installed. If problems persist, note error messages and retry targeted commands accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.